Away, guys. So I have two pumps here, right? I have one worm pump and a prawn pump, right? The difference between this, you're gonna buy one at the shop with this cap on, right? So there's a way to take this thing off. I don't exactly know how, but then you're gonna turn this thing off, you're gonna take off the cap, and then it becomes a worm pump where you can pump inside in the water, right? This will also not be so tight, so you're gonna loosen this a bit, because as the water comes in here, it will also provide suction power, right? If you look on this side, this is the worm pump. As you can see here, this thing just slides, it falls in, it just slides out, because the washers there's washers in, but there's like, if you look into it, you will still be able to see some light, because it's not really, this thing is not tight, right? So it won't be as tight as this. So this one, you can see it doesn't move, doesn't go down. So when you're in the water fills up here, and it also provides suction and help for you to pull out the worm. And when we do pump, we pump in our hands. So depending on how deep the worm is, so normally on a north wind, the worm will lay extremely deep in the sand. So then you're gonna have to pump 1, 2, and go in, pump 1 in the hole, 2 in the hole, and then another push down, and you pull up. And as you pull up, you slide your hand on the pump up, and you're pushing the sand into your hand. And while you're pushing the sand into your hand, the worm will emerge. Oh, best feeling in the world. It's almost like catching a fish, guys. It will lay the worm. So maybe 1 pump down, and then a full pump up, and then pull up into your hand. Bam. Yeah, I think I just have to share that with you guys. Yeah, then you can pump your own bloodworm. Bam, boom. Bloodworm is what, 15-20 rand now. So yeah, guys, pump into your hand. It's a lot of hard work. It's very difficult. Not difficult, but it's very time consuming and physically draining on the body. So yeah, and we have another thing that we use is the worm bag. I think everybody knows about the worm bag. I still have an old one from 1990, my daddy's time, so I still use that one. I think the ones at Farid shop, he sells R&R in Grassy Park, Fifth Avenue. They will also have, and probably Suburban as well. Yeah, guys, happy pumping.